Okay, so let's make some Jello cheesecake, 0 calorie, with this Fairlife. And let's see what the points are for Weight Watchers. And this Jello scans out at 1 point for a quarter of it. So there's probably 4 servings in this then. And for 1 cup of this is 2 points. So the whole thing is going to be total of 8 points, and split in 2, it'll be 4-point snack for me. So let's make it. Let's make it. And this is a 1/2 cup, so I'm gonna use 4 of these. I'm gonna mix it up for 2 minutes. You see how fast this thickened up? Oh my gosh, like look, I barely beat it. It's pretty good.